Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD is physically connected and visible. Power on and press the BIOS hotkey immediately. Once you see the firmware screen, navigate to Boot or Storage, use arrow keys and enter. Make sure SATA mode is set to ASI if using a SATA SSD. For NVMe, check the M. 2 slot is enabled. You do this now because firmware must detect the drive before changing order. If a password prompts, enter it to continue and avoid boot lockouts. Once in the boot menu, locate boot priority or boot sequence. You want the SSD first. Use the indicated keys, often plus and or F5/F6, to move the SSD above other devices or drag it in a UEFI GUI. If the SSD doesn't appear, check storage or NVMe configuration screens, enable legacy or UEFI modes as required, and rescan. Make sure you understand whether your OS needs UEFI or legacy. Changing that can prevent booting. You now save settings and exit. The computer should attempt to boot from the SSD. If it goes to recovery or the old drive, power down and double-check that the SSD contains a bootable OS or a proper clone, and confirm UEFI versus legacy mode matches the OS installation. If firmware reports errors, try clearing CMOS or resetting BIOS to defaults as a last resort. This can fix misapplied settings. One key tip: if nothing boots, reconnect the original drive and review cloning steps before further changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.